Okay, guys, here are your list of assignments right here. You can see that for a lot of them, there are two different scores. There's the video score for how much of the video you've watched, and then a comment for you posting a comment. So if I click on it, then you see right here, I press play down here, and it starts. Let me turn the volume off. It starts to show how much of the video has been viewed. So that will crawl across until it reaches 100%. The next thing is over here, you can answer one or more of these questions. You don't have to answer every single question. Just talk to me is all. And so I'll type something in here, test, I'll say something intelligent, and press save. And you'll see that there will be some sort of other response. And here it shows that I've watched 12% of the video, and I have a 100 for the assignment. 100 with an asterisk because, it hasn't been graded yet. So what else? Let's see here. I think down here it shows you some statistics. So it showed that I played from 0 to 27 seconds. If you wanted to start back up at 27 seconds, you could just press here and it would start at that mark. So that way you can make sure that you get 100% on the grade. Hope that works out. Spent a lot of time working on this, so I hope it works.